Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is list. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. This is the 8th topic in data types and type conversion. Key points about list. List is a sequence data type. List is mutable type, which means elements in the list can be added, updated and deleted. List is a collection of elements separated by comma enclosed inside a square bracket. List may hold different types of values such as integer, float, boolean, string, list, tuple, etc. We can create an empty list using an open-close square brackets or using list function. These are the examples of creating a list. To create an empty list, we just need to use open-close square brackets. Also, empty list can be created using list function without argument. Let's create a list with some items. And the data type is list. Let's create a list with mixed data types. Data type conversion. List function is used to convert a sequence data type to list type. Sequence data types are string, tuple, set, etc. Converting string to list. String is a sequence of characters, so when a string is converted to list, it takes each character in the string to a list item. Converting tuple to list. A tuple is the same as list. The only difference is that tuple is immutable and list is mutable. So when a tuple is converted to list, the items become mutable. Converting dictionary to list. As we know, a dictionary is a collection of key and value pair, and it is not a sequence type. A dictionary, when converted to list, by default list will take the key as list items. We can also use a function keys on dictionary to get only key items. In this example, dictionary key is converted to list items. To get only values from a dictionary, we can use a function called values. In this example, dictionary value is converted to list items. To get both keys and values from a dictionary, we can use a function called items. From this example, the output will be a list of tuples. Each tuple inside the list will have key and value data. Converting set to list. A set can be converted to list using list function. The output will be list of items enclosed in a square bracket. Let's convert a string to list. I am going to convert a tuple to list. Here, dictionary is not a sequence type. So when we convert a dictionary to list, it will take keys as list items. We also can use keys function on a dictionary to get keys as list items. I am using values function on dictionary to get values as list items. Here I am using items function on dictionary to get both keys and values. The output displays keys and values as list of tuples. Let's create a set variable and convert it to list. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.